He had only one string, no band, no label, no safety net, just a beat in his chest and a vision in his sleep. This is One Drop Facts, where we keep it real, keep it roots, and share the stories like we're sitting down together. Ready? Let's roll. Andrew, Brushy One String Chin, born with music in his blood, raised with hunger in his belly. Linstead, Jamaica, a town where markets fail and children go to bed without dinner. Orphaned young, raised by his grandmother. Records on the shelf, rhythm in the yard, but school slipped past him. So did every contract. Early 90s studio time gave him cult status, not pay. He could sing, but couldn't read what he signed. The money walked. He tried everything. 6 strings, talent shows, courtyards. But Jamaica overflowed with greats. He needed a sound no one could steal. Then the dream came. Clear words. Play one string. Family laughed. One voice said, try. He stripped his guitar to a single fat E, turned the wood into a drum. Thumb for bass, knuckles for snare, palm for kick, voice for the rest. Minimal gear, maximum intent. When you cut everything but truth, the groove gets louder. Space becomes power. His baritone rose like a lighthouse. Melody simple, story heavy. Reggae bones, blues dust, soul heat, gospel lift. The diddly bow spirit in a Caribbean body. One man, full band. Years passed. The street became his stage. Then fate crossed the sidewalk. Filmmaker Luciano Blotta was shooting Rise Up. Brushy smiled. You got a camera? Roll it. He played chicken in the corn. Slap, tap, hum, a chorus you never forget. Then he said, you should YouTube me. The clip went online. The world did the rest. Views climbed. Comments flew. Kids drummed desks. Elders nodded to the bounce. Bookers called SXSW, Global Fest, WOMAD UK, New Orleans Jazz and Heritage, NPR Tiny Desk, no gimmick, same guitar, same truth. Albums followed, Destiny, No Man Stop Me, All You Need Is One, crowdfunded by listeners who felt seen by the song. His themes stay plain, ups and downs, good and bad, work and worry. He guards his life off stage so the music stays real. Reads enough to sign his name, then goes back to living, because vanity kills the vein and reality feeds it. Listen close, the thumb never quits. The slap's a metronome for survival. Between each knock, you hear a childhood, a country, a market day that came up short. That's why the hook lands. It's simple, and it's earned. Constraint isn't a cage, it's a mold, stripped to the essence. Practice until small becomes colossal. Own your story before someone sells it for you. So tell me, if you lost everything but one string, what would you still play? Comment below. One drop, one love. Stay groovy.